Hi there, this is Mr. Rancourt, and I wanted to take a minute to give you a tutorial on how to correctly save with Kami. Remember, when you open a document with Kami, you can type on it, but if you don't send it the correct way, or excuse me, if you don't save it the correct way, when you send me the document, it'll come back blank to me, and then you'll have to start it all over. So please pay very close attention to how I tell you how to save properly during Kami. So when you're done with an assignment, and to be quite frank, I would always do this first so that it starts saving right away. But when you're done typing whatever it is that you're going to type onto the document, then you need to go up here to the download key. And you need to make sure, first of all, that you are saving into your Google Drive and that this center box with all annotations is also outlined. Annotations mean the markings or the typings or the words or the letters that you're putting on the page. So you want it to save to your Google Drive and you want it to save with everything that you've typed. Okay? That's going to be super critical. When you do this, go ahead and name it whatever the assignment is. I would prefer that you put your last name and then the title of the assignment. I think this one was chemistry something, so we'll put Rancourt Chemistry. And then you can select which folder you want to put it in, or it'll just save it right to your drive. And then you need to click Begin Export. Again, every time you save, you need to make sure that this says Google Drive and with all annotations. And then you click Begin Export. And it'll take a minute for it to process, but when it's ready, it'll tell you to open it in the Google Drive, and you should do that. I would hit open immediately, and then I would close the old one that you just were working on immediately so that you don't get yourself confused between documents. Okay, and then I'm going to locate it right here in my folder. It just disappeared on me. 1 second. Oh, there it is. And then you'll see that already everything that I typed saved. I can open it again with Kami, and it should still be on there. Yep, it already is. I can continue typing on it if I want. Let me grab some text box here. Let's see if I can do that. Yep. And you'll see up here that it says that it's saving it. Okay. And once you already save it once with all annotations, it's going to keep doing that. Okay. So if I go back into here, close this out, it should have all of my new typings on it. It does right here. It's all set for you. So just a real quick recap. When you're working in with Kami, you need to make sure that you hit download, Google Drive with all annotations, and then click begin export. If you have any questions about this, or you're not quite sure how to do this, or the video doesn't make sense, please email me and I will be glad to show you a different way. Thanks.